Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today we're going to do a little bit of subtraction practice. So we're going to spin the two spinners and then use the manipulatives at the bottom to help us figure out what the answer is. So let's get to spinning. Get that finger ready. Help me out. 3, 2, 1, spin. Okay, we're starting with 8. Let's see how many we're going to take away. 3, 2, 1, spin it. We're going to take 6 away. So we have 8, take away 6 is our problem. Let's move over 8 of the hexagons. Can you guys help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hexagons. Now we need to take away 6 of them. So let's cross out 6 of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had 8 hexagons and we took 6 of them away. Can you tell me how many are left? Did you say 2? Because I see 1, 2 left. That's a great job, friends. There are 2 hexagons left. So we have 8. Take away 6 makes 2. Awesome job. Right, let's try another problem. Help me spin. 3, 2, 1, spin it. Okay, we're going to do 9 this time. Let's spin the other one to see how many we're going to take away. 3, 2, 1, spin it. And we're going to take away 3. So our problem is 9 take away 3 makes what? Let's figure that out. Let's move over 9 hexagons. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And can you remind me how many are we going to cross out? That's right, let's cross out 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Can you count and tell me how many are left? Let's check together and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, there are 6 left. So let's write our 6 up here. Help me draw it. Start at the top, circle around. Great job. Our problem is 9 take away 3 makes 6. That was some awesome subtracting, boys and girls. Let's do one more together and then I'll explain today's game. All right, help me spin. 3, 2, 1, spin it. Oh, let's spin again. We've already done 8. Let's try a different number. 7. All right, we're going to do 7. Take away. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, spin it. Ooh, 5. 7 take away 5 makes what? All right, let's move 7 hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 hexagons. And how many were we going to cross out? That's right, we're going to cross out 5 of them. Help me count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count how many are left? Let's count together and see if we got the same answer. I see 1, 2 left. Did you get 2 when you counted? Great job. All right, let's write our number 2. I hope your finger's in the air. I want to see it. Great job. All right, we have 7 take away 5 makes 2. Awesome job, boys and girls. You did a great job practicing subtraction. Let's look at our game today. So our game today is a game of bowling. This is one of my favorite things to play. So you can use some toilet paper rolls like you see in the picture. You can use soda cans, you can use bottles, you can use cups, anything that you have laying around the house. I bet you could even use Lego towers if you wanted to make Lego towers. All of those would be great ideas to make 10 pins that we need for this. Then you're going to need a ball and a piece of paper. So you're going to set up the pins in a triangle, and that's what we call them when we're bowling. The long sticks are called pins. You're going to set them up in a triangle, and you're going to roll the ball and record how many pins are knocked down. So look over here at number 4. We started with 10 pins. You see I drew my 10 sticks. And then I'm going to show I had 2 fall down. Do you see in this picture? I see 1, 2 that fell down. And that left 8 still standing. So my math problem is 10 take away 2 makes 8. So you can draw this out using your sticks, and then you can even write a first grade math problem. So I want you guys to play this a couple times, practice that subtraction problem, and have fun with it. Love you guys. Have a great Tuesday.